Well, y'all, I'm out here doing a little bit of creek fishing. Yeah, this is a creek. Don't look like a creek, but they call it a creek, so. Creek fishing. Looks like a dang river to me. There's 3 bald eagles in that tree over there. I'm gonna go show you guys, but there's a guy who's like watching them and I don't want to spook them off. He'll be pissed. But 3 bald eagles in that one tree. There's so much activity here. Holy crap. There's a tree with 2 bald eagles and a tree with 3 bald eagles right next to each other. That's what he's looking at. You guys can't see it. It's way too far away for you guys. Hey. And they're like, it's dinner time. Ooh. I had him. It felt little though. You would like that cleaner water. Yeah. You like that clean water. Little guy. That's a good one. Is that good? Oh, tank. That's a creek tank, y'all. Yep, that is a creek tank right there. Let me get out of here. I think they're all up in that shallow water. One last look. The beauty. There you go. There you go, Mama. Freaking growing on me. This is a good one. Oh, is this a crappie? This is a giant crappie. Holy crap, where's my net? He's not gonna fit in my net. Oh! Oh! Yeah. You're going on a stringer, buddy. God, y'all, look at this crappie. Crappie. He wouldn't fit in my net. I need a bigger net. How big is this sucker? Ooh. Yo, that is a 16-inch crappie. 16-inch crappie. Crappie. Edit that out. I'm not telling you what like this is. Y'all already know if you watch my channel. Oh, where's my stringer? Bringing home some dinner. Crappie. It would not fit in my net. You just chill, buddy. You're coming home with me. I thought that tree looked good. I just heard a splash. I'm gonna go check it out. I just ran 2.5 miles down the creek because those guys came in and got on my spot. Sounded like they were catching them too. Crappie just spit up a leaf. Poor guy. Oh goodness, poor guy. I just broke something. I don't know what flew off, but something flew off. My tail. Jeez. Don't you put the hook in my hand. Oh God. Oh, you weren't going nowhere, were you? Let's see if he's 17. I either need a 17 or a giant. Tracy, I know she's got a 21 incher. Mm, 16 and a half. Beautiful. Feisty to begin with. Beautiful fish. Yeah. Look at that. Thank you, bud. It was getting slow there. There we go. Yeah. I need to go. It's late. Well, yeah. I gotta go dress him up for dinner. Look at this thing. Look at that. You coming with me, buddy? You gonna have some dinner? Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching Sidelines. I'll see you later. I hate to leave, but I gotta leave.